Well, we just bought somebody who I think. Wait, we just sold somebody. My bad, guys, but let's go to the market and buy somebody good, you know. Anyway, we're back, everybody. Let's leave here. Let's just get somewhere else. Then he staggered to the bathroom and he spilled his guts again. Spill his guts again. Okay, the story's yours. Let me see my notes. Wait. If I take your notes, that means I have to share the byline. Tyrone Richardson flies solo, baby. All right, well, I need that article about Friday at 5. That's the note you can do. Okay, everybody. Ignore the start. I'm fucked up, but welcome to part 2 of Saving Atlanta FC. Let's get into it. So, I turned the volume down so all you can hear my voice and some crickets, you know. Alright. So now we start off. And Araujo, nope. Alonso, Rossetto, Martinez has so much potential. Like, Martinez's potential's off the charts, bro. This nincompoop. I'm down to Araujo. Morning? Hey, what he do, bro? All he did was tackle, bro. Araujo taking off. Is he gonna shoot from there? Go! I am saving that, bro. Just look at the replay. This man. Let's go back for a second, bro. Araujo is. Oh, man. This guy may not be a star like Martinez, but the quick pass to Araujo. Araujo takes off like he's Martinez and just comes around with a ball with just a little bit of that curve. That curve that really could help us win the league. So I feel like we got a lot of things going for us right now. We got a lot of potential on this team. I don't want to sell a lot of people. Give us the ball. Alonso, ignore that shit. Alright, Martinez. You know what, at this point. This guy, Martinez, bro. These shots are gonna haunt him in his sleep. Alright, we're back now, everybody. So, let's do something real quick. Oh crap. Araujo, get the ball back. That was no yellow, you dumb bows. Araujo taking off. Dang. The collision goes. Rossetto feels like chasing that ball down. How do you lose possession of the ball that bad, bro? Yeah, but... And they just scored the returner. What we need, though, is something that can stop them altogether. That's Martinez. But we gotta go back to our fundamentals. And it's not scoring wonder goals. It's not being Neymar Jr. Sadly, we're going back to the basic speeding. Martinez with a goal there. Cooking them boys up. When he's needed, he can do it. When he's not needed, you can tell what he does. Yeah, but we are back here. That's a lot of money, but I'm not giving it. No. Since we rejected. Whoa. Okay. Leave me alone, weirdo. Swansburg, no. Can't offer something. Well, everybody, I think we're gonna look at our offers real quick. See, alright, we're selling him. People with low potential will get sold. People with decent or with high potential won't get sold. That's just how we're gonna work it. Let's check the market out. Bro, we don't get the money for that. Let's look for something in our money. Yeah, but next game is Minnesota. I don't feel like playing this one, so I'm just gonna simulate it and show y'all the results. Alright, I'm simulating, and Martinez already scored. What? This is actually a fire game right now. I kinda wish I had played it, but don't we have a new signing that just made? Yeah, Kambari. I like to put Kambari in just to see what the young guy can do. Fernando Alright, those are our subs, everybody. Martinez, stop it, bro. Oh my god. Really, Martinez, you're scuffing your shots, bro. Stop with these ads, bro. I'm not getting paid for this shit. But yeah, we lost, but right now we're just gonna look at offers. We have what's his potential? Fuck it. No. That's just too much money for him. We're looking for somebody young. Somebody who I can mold into the greatest player in MLS history. The higher the money, though, I see, the better they get. That's actually decent, bro. I'm gonna hurry that up and conclude it. Welcome to the team, bro. And Fagoli. Where's Fagoli? I believe in him. That's why I'm gonna put him in the starting lineup. And alright. Yeah, but our next game is going to be against Kansas City, which is going to be next episode. So I hope y'all enjoyed this episode. It was a bit of a short one, you know. Didn't do a lot here. But before we go, I'm just going to check out, you know, Not enough money for a scout, but last game we took a bad loss. But let me see how much money Martinez would go for. Ooh, he's a lot of money. He's our number 7, so yeah, but I feel like our ability should be attack and, yeah, but we're coming up on that part of the season where we're coming up on that part of, we're coming up on soon, but what's my goal for this series? But I just want to show y'all who we're playing in our next few games before I leave. We got a game against Kansas City, LAFC, Philly, NYFC, LA Galactic, Seattle, Vancouver, Toronto, Orlando, New England, Columbus, Dallas, Minnesota, KC, LAFC, Philly, New York, Galactica, Seattle, Vancouver, Toronto, Orlando, New England, Columbus, Dallas, Minnesota, Kansas City. I feel like this is looping. Oh, it wasn't looping. I just got the same stupid game. Well, our goal is to win the USA East and maybe make the Continental Cup or the USA Cup. So, yeah. Not much for me to say, but yeah, our next game will be against KC. So, then we got Atlanta and LAFC. So, let me tell you. Next game against Kansas City. We are home. We are home against Kansas City. Home against LAFC. And then away against Philadelphia. Don't forget to buy your tickets for the games, y'all. And hope y'all enjoyed this episode. Goodbye, and see y'all next episode.